steel carbon nanotube metal matrix composites through additive manufacturing.
Hi, I am Vinod Deyar, working as a scientist in Center for Additive and Special Manufacturing Processes. Metal matrix composites find wide applications due to their unique properties compared to their individual material components. Carbon nanotube based metal matrix composites offer high strength and low weight combinations due to the excellent properties of carbon nanotubes. Matrix imparts strength and ductility, while strength and stiffness are contributed by the reinforcement so as to utilize the combined properties of both materials. However, carbon nanotube reinforced metal matrix composites pose several challenges in processing, like agglomeration, inhomogeneity in dispersion, poor interfacial bonding, and thermal instability of CNTs. In this technology development, we have developed steel carbon nanotube metal matrix composites with high strength using laser-based additive manufacturing technique. Through this developed technology, we can produce parts using lightweight steel carbon nanotube metal matrix composites with superior mechanical properties. Thank you.